Hello everyone, and welcome to Delft Stack. In today's video, we'll show you how to deactivate your Discord account. It's an extremely easy process. All you have to do is simply open your Discord application, then click on your user settings option. After that, just simply go to My Account. Then scroll down to the very bottom and you will see two options, Disable Account and Delete Account. Now, if you want to delete your account completely, you can choose this option. And if you just simply want to disable your account, choose the first option right over here. When you click on the Disable Account option, a small pop-up will appear in front of you asking if you still want to disable it. And if you have ever created a server where multiple members exist, you first have to transfer your ownership role to anyone else before disabling your account. And once you have done all of that, you can click on Disable right over here, and your Discord account will be disabled. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to deactivate or disable your Discord account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.